Big news! LufSec just moved to a faster, cleaner learning home, and to celebrate everything is 50% off. The code is LUFSEC50. We rebuild the learning experience so you get faster load times, clearer progress tracking, and smoother labs, meaning less friction and more time actually learning. From today until the end of September 30, 2025, every LufSec course is half price. Use LufSec50 at checkout. Link in bio. No catches. Just better UX and better prices for you while we celebrate the relaunch. And one more thing, I'm launching a brand new course and certification, AI Hacking, from prompt exploits to adversarial machine learning. It's hands-on lab, real demos, and a certification pathway for defenders and pentesters who want to secure LLMs and AI systems. Join the waitlist on the course page.